I'm waiting for you, my dear kids. Come on. Introduce yourself, what you're doing, and this is a great Sunday afternoon, right? Do you had your lunch and everything? Hope we can start our session. And my dear ones, come on, please introduce yourself. Come on, my dear ones. Do you know what topic that we are going to discuss today? Today is one of the most interesting topics, but many of them will feel it's very difficult. But no, not at all. It's very, very easy. And we, the Me and Math, are going to give you the easiest way how these questions can be tackled. So, those who join now, please introduce yourself so that we can start with our session. Welcome to Me and Math classes. We, the Me and Math, offers you the most easiest way to complete or to solve your questions and only by understanding it, not by hatching anything. Sorry for the inconvenience. Come on, please introduce yourself. Those who join now, share your name through live chat. I will get to know what you people are doing. I will wait for 2 more minutes and soon I will be starting with the session. You can see there are 2 participants. Come on, my dear ones. Please introduce yourself through live chat. How was your Sunday? What are you doing now? Do you had your lunch? And what would you like to share? Come on. Okay, today the interesting topic is quadrilaterals. Before we are entering to the topic, we have a lot of lineup things to complete, right? What are they? Shall we see one by one? The first is star student of the week. Like you people have any guess that who is going to be the star student of this week? Any idea? Like ma'am, this student can be, this kid can be the star student, I think. Something like that. Come on. Yes. The star student is Aryan Anthony and 2 more kids are there with us. Satvik Patra and finally, Adam Johan. Congratulations to all my kids, those who are performing marvelous in Myanmar. And unbox me, turn me on my side, and I'm everything. Turn me on my side, I'm everything. Cut me into half and I am nothing. What am I? Any idea? Turn me on my side, I'm everything. Cut me into half, I'm nothing. What am I? Yes, you're right, it is 8. Right? If I choose 8, if I turn it to the sign, it is infinity, everything. Right? And if I cut the same 8 into half, it is 0, which is nothing. Right? So the answer is 8. Voice of learners. Do you know last week we do have a great participant and hopefully I'm waiting for this week also. One is Excel Math. I don't know the name actually correctly. And Abhinya is there. Viraj, that is Janvi is here. Ayush Shikla is here and Kirat Brudi is here. Great to all those who participated. Coming to let's learn. So, what's the topic that we are going to learn today? The topic that we are going to cover today is quadrilaterals. What does quadrilateral means? Last class itself we will be having a good understanding of quadrilaterals, right? But still, we can have quadrilateral means it is a four-sided polygon. What is polygon? Polygon is nothing but a simple closed figure entirely made up of line segments. If the simple closed figure entirely made up of line segment, it is said to be polygon. Right? And if there are four sides to the polygon, we call it as quadrilaterals. Okay? And we have many different types of quadrilaterals. Coming the different types are parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium and kite. I'm not getting space, so I'm just rubbing this and I'm rewriting it. Okay, the four-sided polygon is said to be quadrilateral. Under quadrilateral, we have different types. They are, first comes parallelogram. Then comes rectangle. Then comes square. Then comes trapezium. Sorry, rhombus. Then we can write trapezium. Order doesn't matter, but still this way of writing helps us to understand each properties in simple ways. Rhombus. Then trapezium. Then comes kite. Okay. So all these types are said to be four-sided quadrilateral, four-sided polygon which is quadrilateral. Each one have unique properties, right? And they in last class itself we discussed a deep understanding of these properties. So we can start with our lesson, and this is in this lesson we are going to discuss more Olympiad level questions, and understanding of these questions is very easy, but I want my kids to give a try for these questions. Okay, in the first question, in a triangle ABC, P, Q and R are the midpoints of BC, CA and AB respectively. Okay, if AC equal to 21 centimeter and BC equal to 29 centimeter and AB equal to 30 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the quadrilateral? ARPQ. Okay, we need to find a perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but the boundary, sum of boundaries. AR plus RP plus PQ plus AQ. Right? Come on, give a try for these questions. Come on, my dear ones. Okay. So, it is a triangle ABC and PQR are the midpoints. What does mean by midpoint? Midpoints are nothing but these points divide that line into two equal parts. Right? So, we can take that as our first point. P, Q, R are the midpoints of triangle ABC. And what is midpoint? The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is parallel to the third side. This property we know well, right? And we are going to use this property. What does the property says? It says the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is equal to the half of it, right? Is equal to the half of it. What does it mean? It means if we choose PQ, right? What is PQ? PQ is half of AB because AB is parallel to PQ, right? PQ equal to half of AB. Why? Because PQ is parallel to AB. PQ and AR are parallel. We can take in the same way what we are saying, the line segment joining the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle is equal to the half of it. Right? So, we can say PQ is parallel to AR. AR is nothing but the part of AB. Right? In the same way, if I choose PR, which is PR here? This is PR. PR is parallel to QC. Right? QC is the part of AQ. So, what I am doing here, okay, let me take it as AB. PR equal to half of AC. Why? Because PR is parallel to AQ. Right? So, what it means? If the opposite sides are parallel, I will show you. If the opposite side, which are the opposite sides? AR and PQ. AR and PQ. If the opposite sides are parallel, they are parallelogram. Right. So, what we can say? AR PQ is a parallelogram. ARPQ is a parallelogram. Why? Because the opposite sides are parallel here. AR and PQ are parallel. We proved that they are parallel using the property. What does the property states? The property states the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides. The line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is equal to the half of it. Right. So, Now I need to find the perimeter, right? Now perimeter of ARPQ is, as property of parallelogram states, if the opposite sides are parallel, these sides are equal, right? Using the property of parallelogram, what parallelogram says? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, right? So we can say 2 times of AR plus AQ will be equal to ARPQ, which means 2 times of what is AR? AR is part of AB, right? AR equal to half of AB. AB is 30. Half of 30 is 15. Right? AR equal to half of AB equal to half of 30 equal to 15. Then we need AQ. AQ is half of AC. AC is 21. Half of 21. I am just taking it as 21 by 2. 15 plus 21 by 2, which is 2 into 15 plus 2 into 21 by 2. 30 plus 21. 2 and 2 get cancelled, equal to 51 centimeter. Any doubts, my dear ones? Those who are having any doubts, please ask me. Come on, those who are having any doubts, feel free to ask. First, we are choosing the midpoint. From the midpoint, we are using the property. What does property says? If the line segment joining the midpoints of the two sides of the triangle, that the two sides will be equal to the half of it. Right? So, using that property, PQ is the line. PQ will be half of the parallel line AB. Similarly, AR will be half of the parallel line AC. So using that, if the opposite sides are being parallel, they are equal. They are the property of parallelogram. So using the property of parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal. So ARPQ will be written as AR plus AQ. 2 times. Because the two sides are equal, right? So using that, we are rewriting it. Come on. If you find some difficulties in understanding this, kindly let me know so that I will help you out. Come on, my dear ones. Any doubts so far? See, if you find some difficulties in understanding this, I will help you out. That's why repeatedly I am asking. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. We, the Me and My team, is always there to help you out. Now, see this question. This question is good, right? Why? Because they had given A, B, C, D as a trapezium. Okay? In which AB, the line AB is parallel to CD. Then AC square plus BD square will be equal to which among these options? Which among These option ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD and AC square plus BD square. We need to find the value of AC square and BD square. Okay. So we can start working this question. Let me draw the diagram once again here. AB and CD are parallel and it is a trapezium. Right? I know this is AB and this is CD. Okay. Then I have a perpendicular line DM and CL meeting AB. DM and CL meeting AB. And I also have a diagonal BG. These are the given as per the question. Okay. Now we need to find the value of the squares of diagonal. What is AC square plus BD square? Right? We need to find this. So, shall we start working this question now? How we will be working this? First, I need AC and BD, right? So, first I am choosing two triangles. First triangle is ACL. Let me highlight you. First, I need to join AC. I am joining is as a dotted line. Okay, dotted line. We can add this as a construction. Join AC. Right? So using the highlighter, I am choosing a circle, triangle which I am going to perform. A, C and L. I am choosing only this triangle. A, C and L. Okay. So, in triangle ACL, what we know, ACL is a right angle triangle, right? So, AC acts as a hypotenuse because in this right angle triangle, whatever is opposite to the perpendicular, that will be AC, like that will be hypotenuse. So, AC square equals to AL square plus LC square. Okay, because I need to find AC plus BD, I am writing this. Okay, dears. So, AL is nothing but AM plus ML. So, instead of writing AL, I am writing AM plus ML the whole square plus LC square using the square like property of identities. AM plus ML the whole square. AM square plus ML square plus 2AM times ML plus LC square. So, AM plus ML plus the whole square is nothing but the square identity. AM plus ML the whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Implementing the formulae, we wrote this. So, this is AC square. Let it be equation number 1. Okay. Now, I am choosing my next triangle. In triangle BMD. Why? Because I need BD square. So, to get BD square, I am rewriting. I am choosing my next triangle as BMD. Let me show you the shaded part of BMD. BMD. This part, the blue one, and the common region seems to be the green region. Okay. So, in triangle BMD, again, BD square, Pythagoras theorem, equal to DM square plus mb square. Okay, bm square plus mb square. Elaborating, let me erase this. Yes, so dm square as it is, mb is nothing but ml plus lb. ml plus lb the whole square. dm square plus ml square plus lb square plus 2ml into lb. Right? Let it be the whole equation number 2. I'm just rewriting here. b d square equal to dm square plus ml square plus lb square plus 2 times ml times lb. Let it be equation number 2. Okay, what I want AC square plus BD square. So, first equation plus second equation. I'm just erasing. Why? Because if I write in this side, no, you can't see that. That's why. I'm not erasing diagram because I need to write AC square, no? That's why. Okay? Okay. Now, adding the left hand side, AC square plus BD square equal to am square plus ml square plus lc square plus 2ml into lc, am, right? Plus bd square, dm square plus ml square plus lb square plus 2ml into bl. Right? So, we can write it as AM plus DM. Right? Is AM square plus DM square equal to AD square. Right? AD square plus BC square. How? LC plus LB is BC. Similarly, 2ml square, because they are like terms, 2ml square plus 2lm into am plus bl. Here I choose ml as the common term and the remaining is am and bl. Which will be equal to AD square plus BC square plus 2LM into AB. How? AM plus BL is nothing but AM plus BL is nothing but AL. Right? Why? Because we can write it as AM plus LM plus LB. Right? AM plus BL. Isn't it? So, which is nothing but 2 into LM into AM plus LM plus MB equals AD square plus BC square plus 2LM times AB. What we know? We know CD is parallel to AB. which means CD equal to AL. CD equal to AL because they are parallel sides, which means AD square plus BC square plus 2AB into CD. That's it. So the right option is AD square plus BC square plus 2AB plus 2AB plus 2AB. All are plus. So option is B. AD square plus BC square plus 2AB into CD. Any doubts? So those who are having any doubts, kindly reach out to me. No doubts. Okay, we can move to the next question then. In the given figure, L is parallel to BC and D is the midpoint of BC. If area of triangle ABC, if area of triangle ABC equal to x times area of triangle EDC equal to x times area of triangle EDC, what is the value of x? Right? We need to find what is the value of x. Okay, L is the line, A and E are the 2 points, BD is the baseline, and okay, fine. Let me draw the diagram here. L is the line, AE are the 2 points, AB, BD, ED, C. D is the midpoint of BC. Right? We need to find the value of x here. Okay. How we can find the value of x here? First, what we know? We know area of triangle equals half times base times height. Base times height. If I choose half times base times height, first I am choosing in triangle ABC. Okay, this is my whole triangle ABC. Okay, AC is also joint. Okay, in my triangle ABC, which is base here, BC is base here. Half times base times height as it is, because I don't know what the height of the triangle, right? But what I know is base is 2x. Why? Because x is being the point which is 2. EDC will be x times ABC. So I can choose base as x times x is x plus x is 2x. Right? So half times 2x times h. This is area of triangle ABC. Now, in triangle EDC, only this part, EDC, half times DC times, again h will be as it is. Half times DC is x times h. What we know? We know area of triangle ABC is x times area of triangle EDC, because it is given. Because it is given. So what is area of triangle ABC? Half times 2x times h equals x into half times x times h. As the triangle, the distance between the parallel sides are equal, the height of the triangle will be equal in all cases. Right? So cancelling out height and height, cancelling out half and half, x and x, and on this side 2 is remaining, on the other side x is remaining. So the value of x is 2. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Come on, those who are having any doubts, feel free to reach out to us. We the Me and Math is there to help you out to understand the concepts in the easiest way. Come on, my dear ones. Feel free to ask. If you find some difficulties in understanding this, kindly feel free to ask. Come on. If you find some difficulties in understanding this, feel free to ask now. First, explain karo. Sure, I can explain you. Spash, please do introduce your name. Where are you from? Spash, myself Danya and I am your maths teacher representing from Myanmar. Spash, feel free to ask. Come on. And I'm very happy to meet you here. Spash, where are you from and what is your full name? Like from your ID, I'm reading your name, so I don't know what is your exact name. Hello, Spash. Okay, I can explain you once again. What is the given question? In the given question, as per the given question, the triangle is, in the given figure, line L is, let me use highlighter, that will be better. Line L is parallel to BC. Okay, and D is the midpoint of BC. If area of triangle is x times area of EDC, x times area of EDC, which means this triangle is ABC is greater by x times EDC, right? So what we need to find the value of x. So to find the value of x, first what I am doing, I am just redrawing the diagram. Line L, and there are 2 points on line L, and I have a base BC. I am joining AB, AD, D is the midpoint, and EDC and ABC also. Okay. So, what I need to find is what the general thing we know. We know area of triangle, any triangle will be equals to half times base times height. Right? Now I am choosing a specific triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, this is our triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equals to half times base times height. Right? I don't know the exact height, so half times base is BC. And the height I am taking it as H alone. Okay. So, half times BC is x. Why? Because 2x. This is 1x and this is other x. D is the midpoint. If this is x, this will also be x. X plus x is 2x times h. This is triangle ABC. Now I am choosing the other triangle EDC. Why? Because my comparison happened between these two triangles as per the question. So, half times base is DC times height is h. You may ask how both these triangles have the same height. Why? Because line L is parallel. If their sides are being parallel, the distance between these two lines are equal. If this is H, this will also be H. Right? So I can choose my height of the triangle as H itself. As per given, area of triangle ABC is X times area of triangle EDC. Area of triangle ABC is half times 2x times H. Area of triangle EDC is x times half times x times H again. H cancel, half cancel, x cancel as it's being a multiple. So 2 equal to x or x equal to 2 is the answer. Is it fine, Sparsh? Do you have any doubts now? It's hard to teach when no one is watching. It's okay. I won't feel that it is hard. Why? Because these sessions are being made available in our Myanmar. If some students find it difficult, when they can reach out to us, they can view this video. So I never feel it hard. And thanks for your being a very good, supportingly engaging in this session. No, like I would like to know whether you could understand this now. Come on, my dear one. Like any difficulty in understanding this? Shall we move to the next question? Okay, hope it is clear. We can move to the next question. In the given figure, okay, in the given in the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle and BD equal to DE. Yes, obviously. BD is a diagonal. Okay, BD equals to, let me choose highlighter. BD equals to BE. So BED is the isosceles triangle, right? And they had given certain angle BED. BED is 40 degree. It doesn't seem like 9th grade maths. It is 9th grade maths. It is from Olympiad level questions. Okay. Yes. BED is 40 degree and angle EDA, the reflex angle, EDA is 260 degree. Find angle CDB, this angle alone. Okay? Okay. So hope we can start our question this. We can start answering this question. So where we can start? We know that BD equal to DE, right? So I'm starting from where I know. BD equals to, okay. Let me choose different pen color. Because previous question also I did in the same color, right? That's why. This also I did. Let me choose green then. Okay. So BD equals to DE, which is given. And what else we know? We can take angle CDB as x. Let this angle be x. Okay. Let angle CDB equals to x. If two sides of the same triangle are equal, it is isosceles, right? Therefore, we know triangle BDE is isosceles. Right? So if triangle BDE is isosceles, ABCD is a quadrilateral which is rectangle which is also given here. What else we know? Angle BED equals to angle BDE. Why? Because they are the same angles. In isosceles angle, if their sides are equal, their respective angles will also be equal. Which means angle BDE equals to 40 degree. Right? What we know, ABCD is a rectangle and all their angle will be equals to 90 degree. Right? So, angle A, angle ADC will be equal to 90 degree. Right? We know complete angle equal to 360 degree. Complete angle equals to 360 degree, which means angle EDA, this angles EDA plus angle ADC plus angle CDE. Okay? Plus angle ADC plus angle CDE equals to 360 degree. Right? So, angle CDE equals 360 degree minus angle EDA minus angle ADC. So, 360 degree minus 260 which is given, and each angle of the rectangle will be 90 degree. So, 360 degree minus 350 degree equal to 10 degree. Angle CDE is 10. Right? What we know? We need to find this angle CDE. Alright? CDB. We need to find this angle. CDB will be equal to angle, like, yes. Fine. So, this is 10 degree. We can take angle BDE equal to 40 degree. Also, angle BDC plus angle CDE is 40 degree. Why? Because they are combinedly two and one. Right? See, BDC and CDE. Okay? Equals to 40 degree which is given. So, angle CDB equal to 40 degree minus 10 degree, that is 30 degree. That's it. We found it. Any doubts so far? Okay. Now, I do have a very good question for you. This is a Sunday bonus and this is very simple to answer. If the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, then name its side. If the diagonals of the parallelogram are equal, then name its side. Come on, start giving your response. Come on. I'm awaiting for your response. Come on. Like, those who know the answer, please ping through chat box live chat. We will get to know the answers. And let me see how many of you are giving the right answer. Okay, the right answer is a rectangle. Okay, you did great. Like what we discussed today is about quadrilaterals and we discussed only few questions and we will be discussing the rest questions in upcoming week. Okay, my dear ones. If you find some difficulties in understanding, please let me know. Kindly let me know if you find some difficulties in understanding. No, right? So, thanks for watching and have a great